Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. For this activity, you will need a pencil and your highlighter. We are going to be highlighting any vowels we see in our words today. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. Our first word is bed. B-E-D, bed. With your pencil, please write bed. B-E-D, bed. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. Our next word is net. N-E-T, net. With your pencil, please write net. N-E-T, net. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. E says eh. Our next word is leg. O-E-G, leg. Please write leg with your pencil. O-E-G, leg. With your highlighter, please highlight the short vowel E, eh. Our next word is jet. J-E-T, jet. With your pencil, please write jet. J-E-T, jet. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. E says eh. Our next word is red. R-E-D, red. With your pencil, please write red. R-E-D, red. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel eh. Short E says eh. Our next word is 10. T-E-N, 10. Please write 10 using your pencil. T-E-N, 10. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. Short E says eh. Our next word is hen. H-E-N, hen. With your pencil, please write hen. H-E-N, hen. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. Eh. Short E says eh. Our next word is pen. P-E-N, pen. With your pencil, please write pen. P-E-N, pen. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. E says eh. Our next word is web. W-E-B, With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel E. Short E says eh. Our last word is stem. S, t, e, m, stem. With your pencil, please write stem. S, t, e, m, stem. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel eh. Good job, boys and girls. Please turn over your paper. On this side, we are working with the beginning sound. Our first picture is a picture of a bed. B-E-D, bed. Our beginning sound that we are missing is B. Please write B. B-E-D, bed. Our next picture is the number 10. T-E-N, 10. Please write the beginning sound you hear. T. Finger stretch. T-E-N, 10. Our next word is a picture of a net. N-E-T, net. Please write the beginning sound you hear. N-E-T, net. Finger stretch. N-E-T, net. Our next picture is of a hen. H-E-N, hen. Our beginning sound. H says finger stretch. E-N, hen. Our next picture is of a leg. O-E-G, leg. Please write the beginning sound you hear in leg. O-L says leg. Finger stretch. O-E-G, leg. Our next word is a picture of a pen. P-E-N, pen. Please write the beginning sound you hear in pen. P. P says P. Finger stretch. P-E-N, pen. Our next picture is of a jet. J-E-T, jet. Please write the beginning sound you hear in jet. J-E-T. J says J. Finger stretch. J-E-T, jet. We then have a picture of a web. W-E-B, web. First sound, W. W says W. Finger stretch. W-E-B, web. Our last picture is a crayon that is red. R-E-D, red. Please write the first sound you hear in red. R says red. Finger stretch. R-E-D, red. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great today. I'm so proud of you.